The first topic from IAL Pure 3 is going to be your rational functions.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what are rational functions or what are rational expressions? Can you tell me? Or what is a rational number? Let's start with the easiest thing. What is a rational number?
A number that can be written as the P by Q. Right. Yeah, P by Q form.
Okay. Okay, that's correct. Are there any restrictions on the values of P and Q?
Q is not equal to 0.
Anything else?
Uh, P and Q, I guess, are like in the simplest form.
Okay, yes.
Co-prime.
So co-prime to each other, yes. So let's say if I take the number 2 by 3, is this a rational number?
Yes.
3 by 2,
Yes.
okay. 22 by 7,
Yes.
22 by 7 is a rational number.
Yes.
Please remember, please keep this in mind. 22 by 7 is not a rational number, it's an irrational number. See, when you are working with the rational number, yes, any number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q is a rational, that's true. But when you take any fraction, right, there are two types of fraction. We can have a terminating fraction and we can have a non-terminating one.
Okay.
3 by 2 was a terminating fraction. That means if I simplify, this will come out to be as 1.5. That
Okay.
means when I'm dividing 3 by 2, it is not leaving any remainder. So yes, all terminating fractions are rational numbers. When it comes to non-terminating, we have two criteria again. We have recurring or repeating, and then we have non-recurring or non-repeating. If it's a recurring fraction, it's a rational number.
Okay.
So 2 by 3, this will be 0.666, or basically this is 0.6 recurring. This is going to be a rational number.
Okay.
If it is a non-recurring fraction, this is not a rational number. Okay, so 22 by 7, please remember, is not a rational number, it's an irrational number.
Okay.
Now, what does this have to do with rational functions or rational expressions? Let's understand that. Now, when I say rational expressions or when I say rational functions, what I mean is rational expression is basically an algebraic function.
Okay.
This is basically an algebraic function where numerator and denominators are polynomial functions. So it's an algebraic fraction, or let's not write function, let's write fraction over here for the time being. It's an algebraic fraction where numerator and denominator are your rational expressions, or they are basically some polynomial function. Now, when I say polynomial function, what exactly do I mean by polynomial function is? Polynomial function is, let's say, if I take x plus 2 over x minus 3, this is a rational expression. Let's say if I take x plus 2 over x square minus 5x plus 6, I have a linear factor, a linear expression in the numerator, a quadratic expression in the denominator. This is a rational function or a rational expression. I can have multiple factors as well. Like I can have x minus 1 over x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4. This is also an example of rational expression.
Okay.
Okay. So what is important to take from here is when you're writing rational expression or when you're writing rational function, you have to keep in mind that numerator and denominator both are some polynomial function.
Okay.
Any questions here?
So polynomial